Welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Hasidic Rebbe Levi Yitzchok ben Sarasosher me Barditchev Zechusi Agalainu Makol Yisrael Amen. This week's Parshas Lech Lecha. In the book of Genesis, chapter 12, verse 1, it says, V'yomer Hashem al Avram Lech Lecha. And the Lord said to Abram, go for thyself. The Hasidic of the Barditchev Rav notes, Rabbi Makshim Lama Hevi Avram is Sarlis Ekonish Yelechim Al Mitzrayim Kevin Shaloyam Olei Hashem Yisborach. Many ask, why did Abraham bring Sarah into such a dangerous situation that he should travel with her to Egypt, since God did not tell him to do so? Vanira, and it appears, that that which the blessed Lord said to Abraham, to go to the land which I show you, Amaloi, they said to him, that is to this land, that there'll be a reason to go there, that's where you should go. And when Abraham came to the land of Israel, there was a famine there. So he saw that there was a reason that was pushed from God that he should not be there. And that's why it says there was a famine in the land. And Abram went down to Egypt, he covered a Rav Ba'aretz, because it was a very heavy famine in the land. So he saw there's a reason not to stay here. To go to another land. And that comes from God. You should go to the place where there's goodwill from the Lord. Perhaps the Barditchev Rav, he experienced this in his own life, that he was disposed from various rabbinical posts until he eventually came to Barditchev, another explanation, to the land I show you, the general idea is as follows. If a person has a doubt whether to do something or not, he should try to think about it intelligently. If he has a clear thought about it, then he should do it. That's what it means where I show you, Lashon Behiras Seichel. That is a terminology of a clear thought. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.